salmon walk. So this is officially the salmon walk now. Okay. So we're going to go around this way though. It's still the salmon walk. But this is where the Ray Troll gallery is, I believe. The Star Gallery. There, see? Sockadelic. So you can buy shirts in here. I have several of them. There they are. Postcards. God Ink. Dark Side of the Loon. The Fateful Dead. Oh man, there's so many to choose from. So many. Make sure you pick one up from the Star Gallery. So there's the Federal Building. So remember we were right at that corner and I said we could have come this way, but we went around. And now we're going to continue on to the end. Oh, look at this picture. Not that all those salmon ever come up this creek, but if they did, how great would that be? Number 2 or number 1? You decide. Somebody told me the salmon was fixed, and it looks like it is. And I always pronounce this wrong, and now the sign's gone. Yataltsi salmon? Anyway. Now I see some dead salmon in the river. But we're going to go up Married Man's Trail. Now they've improved it over the years. It used to just be a dirt path and then you cross this bridge here. Years ago. But now there's stairs almost the whole way. But this was the secret passage to Creek Street and the houses there, right? It's called Married Man's Trail. Get it? Of course, now they're trying to call it Salmon Walk. There is a fish ladder up here because there's a waterfall. And we're gonna get up to that. Yataltsi salmon. Yataltsi salmon. See, I always call it the Yalatsi salmon, but it's Yataltsi. Of course, that's up to the Cape Fox Lodge. There's a stairway up there. I can't tell you how many steps on it. I've never gone up there. I have ridden the funicular and walked down the other side. Yum. So this is, well, the end of Creek Street, right? There's the New Amsterdam, I think it was. Our ship is on the other side of that building. But it looks like the salmon are no longer running, although I thought sure they would be. But that's why we're going to the park. Well, Creek Street is back that way. The fish ladder is right below us. Janet said she saw some salmon in here that were alive still. But this is Park Avenue, you might say. Leads up to the city park. And so we're going to walk up there for a little bit. And see, up there we can get really close to the creek. Oh yeah, I see him flapping around now. You probably don't see him, but it's all those gray things in the water. Or black. So Ventia? Cape Fox Lodge is up there. Up that street. You know, it's a hotel. It's got a restaurant, coffee shop. Still Ketchikan Creek, still full of dead salmon. And I will say these salmon seem bigger. They must be a different variety than we saw in Sitka. We've been following Park Avenue up around. Here's Woodland and Herring Way. See, this is Herring Way, right? It's just a sidewalk. And it goes off that way too. We're gonna cross Ketchikan Creek again. There is a totem museum up here. Oh. Drop a coin, make a wish, you will be happy, a boy can fish. Let's see if we can see anything in there. Do you see them? I mean, the river should be brown on the bottom, and it's black because the salmon are so thick there. And on this side too. You can see them disturbing the water. They have white on their fins sometimes. See that waving and twirling? The park is up around the bend. Well, unless you're talking about the skate park. The skate park is right here. Skate or die. Now that says dead end, but you can actually get to the park that way too, along the river. But we're gonna go this way. So the skate park is back there. There's a baseball diamond.
Oh, that's the school.
Janet says it's a school. Hi. And here's the park. Oh, and the fountain's on. And it's for sale. Oh, maybe that building's for sale. It's a nice park. It's got some big trees in it. Water feature. And a hatchery. Now they used to have tours, but I don't think they do them anymore. At least every time we've come now for the last few years, they've been closed. They do have a bathroom, but occasionally it's locked. I don't see any salmon in here. And I don't remember that fountain. But there it is. Don't see any dead salmon either. I do see a hole there under this tree. So the creek is over there, through those trees. Well, those trees are along the shore. And this is the Deer Mountain Fish Hatchery. And of course they have bear-proof trash bins. Remember, you got to stick your hand in the handle and push the button. Hatchery entrance. And I see there's still the sign on the door that says we're not open. But they work. It's still a working hatchery, at least I think. But I will point out that there's restrooms right there, although they may be locked. Stedman Thomas Totem Heritage Center. Look, a giant gold nugget. Salmon walk. Still. So this is the creek again. And there's salmon in there, but not nearly as many. Whoa. It's a loose board. I might have fallen in. Salmon walk. Totem pole. With the Alaska state flag on it.
8 to 5 daily.
It may be closed now. It's getting late in the day. And I'm going to show you the price anyway. And the price is adults are $6 and people like me are $5. And everyone else is free. So that's where we're at. Well, we're actually now back across. So we're going to come down the river. We're going to go the back way. The sign says dead end, but it's a dead end for cars, right? So this is the hatchery. That's the totem center. We're going to look for a spot where we can get down to the water. Of course, here's where the water flows back into the river. We're under the bridge now. And maybe you can see them now.
We're aggravating them.
So I'm going to try to step out there without getting too wet in my shoes. Well, no, they run away. Of course, you can see the dead ones over there. See that? It may be dark under here. Yeah, they're just not cooperating. I didn't think they'd mind us. I have one thing in mind, and that one thing is not us. But I guess they don't like to be watched. Well, that was Ketchikan, Alaska. Hope you liked it. Hope you saw the salmon.
You can see them jumping out here.
Yeah, move that camera around, or move that phone around, or move that tablet around. See them all?
But they know when somebody comes by because they swim off to the other side where you can't see them. But we're under the bridge.
And we're going to head back to the
We're
ship.
gonna go back.
So from Ketchikan,
I'm Janet.
I'm Garrett.
It was a nice walk. And thanks for walking with us. We'll see you in the next port.
Bye!
Bye-bye.